Hey guys, so AutoGen, CrewAI or LangGraph, which is the best AI agent framework in 2025 and 2026? And by the end of this video, you'll exactly know which one you should use for your own specific purpose. So, hello guys, welcome to the official NIIT YouTube channel. And today we are breaking down the ultimate battle of AI agent frameworks in 2025 and 2026, that is AutoGen versus CrewAI versus LangGraph. And if you have ever wondered which framework you should learn first, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear answer. So let's begin. Now I will be starting my explanation with discussing what are AI agents. So before we compare frameworks, let's just rewind for 20 seconds. And AI agents are not just chatbots. They can actually think step by step. They can use tools. They can browse the web. They can even call APIs. They can collaborate with other agents. They can make decisions and they can complete tasks automatically. Basically, they are ChatGPT with responsibilities. Honestly, something many humans still struggle with. And if you want to know more about what are AI agents, I've actually made a separate video on this particular topic. So I'm going to link that video in the description so you can go ahead and watch that video. Now, I will be introducing my competitors. So, all right, meet today's three competitors. You have your AutoGen, that is Microsoft multi-agent engine that lets two AIs argue their way into your solution. Then you have your CrewAI, the teamwork-loving framework that organizes agents like a college fest committee. And then, last but not the least, you have LangGraph, the engineer's favorite, structured, reliable, and refuses to break. So let's break these down one by one. So first, you have your AutoGen. So AutoGen is basically the WhatsApp group of AI agents. So everyone is talking to everyone. And sometimes they overthink, but they get the job done. So what AutoGen is great at, it can handle multi-agent conversations. It can also handle agents debating and negotiating. It can handle complex reasoning, research workflows, code generation, tool usage, and API calls. So basically, you can create two agents like a researcher and a coder and let them talk until they fix a problem. And it's ideal for the research teams, automation pipelines, and multi-step reasoning. Now, we move on to our CrewAI. So CrewAI is the friendliest framework of these three. So think of it like a college fest team with clearly assigned goals, researcher to writer to analyst to coder. So CrewAI focuses on clean workflow design, it focuses on clear agent roles, step-by-step execution, beginner-friendly setup, great documentation, and the fact is that it's rising fast in popularity because it's simple and powerful. Perfect for the beginners, solo developers, content creators, automations, and educational projects. Now, after that, we move on to our third competitor, that is LangGraph or LangChain. And then we have our LangGraph, the IIT topper of AI agent frameworks. And not the funny one, but the one who gets hired by Google. So LangGraph is all about reliability, controlled flows, graph nodes plus cycles, persistent memory, failure handling, production grade pipelines. And if you want workflows that don't break, scale well, and run 24/7, LangGraph is the boss. It's the most friendly enterprise ready framework of the three. And now let's just compare them head to head. So for the ease of use, CrewAI is easiest, AutoGen is medium, and LangGraph is the hardest. And moving on to a multi-agent collaboration, AutoGen is the best, CrewAI is great, and LangGraph, it depends on the design. Now third is our production reliability. So here, LangGraph is the king, AutoGen is strong, CrewAI is improving. Now for the beginner friendliness, you have your CrewAI, and best for enterprises, your winner is LangGraph, and best for research, your winner is AutoGen, clean and simple. Now, what you should choose. So for NIIT students and professionals and all the students all across the globe, here's a simple roadmap. If you are a beginner, use CrewAI. If you are a Python developer, use LangGraph. If you are building a multi-agent reasoning systems, use AutoGen. If you are building a production app, use LangGraph. And if you want content automation or SEO tools, use CrewAI. Choose based on your goals and not the hype. Now we move on to our final verdict. So the big question, which is the best AI agent framework in 2025? And here's the honest verdict. CrewAI, it's best for beginners and creators. AutoGen, it's best for multi-agent research and reasoning. And LangGraph, it's best for enterprise, reliability, and production workflows. And if you're serious about a career in agent development, start with CrewAI, then learn AutoGen, and finally master LangGraph. That's a perfect 2025-2026 learning path. Now, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe. It helps NIIT reach more learners. And comment below, which framework should we build a complete tutorial on next? AutoGen, CrewAI, LangGraph, or all three? So I'll see you in the next one. And remember, AI agents won't replace human. They replace the boring work so that we can focus on the fun stuff. So yeah, see you soon. Thank you.